Excavators. These are versatile machines used for digging, trenching, and other earth-moving tasks. They consist of a boom, dipper, bucket, and cab mounted on a rotating platform. The Zoomlion ZE215E is an excavator model manufactured by Zoomlion Heavy Industry Science and Technology Development Company, Limited, a Chinese construction machinery company. Here are some general specifications for the Zoomlion ZE215E excavator. The operating weight of the ZE215E excavator is approximately in the range of 20,000 to 22,000 kilograms, about 44,000 to 48,500 pounds. The exact weight can vary based on specific configurations and optional attachments. The Zoomlion excavator have max digging height 9,720 millimeters. To support moving the tool work location, Zoomlion have travel speed 5.5/3.3 km/h. The maximum digging depth of the ZE215E excavator is typically in the range of 5.5 to 6.5 meters, about 18 to 21 feet. The bucket capacity for the standard bucket attachment is usually around 0.8 to 1.0 cubic meters, depending on the specific model and configuration. Type engine, water-cooled, turbocharged diesel engine. Power output, typically around 110 kilowatts, approximately 148 horsepower. Type engine, water-cooled, turbocharged diesel engine. Power output, typically around 110 kilowatts, approximately 148 horsepower. Specification of excavator 9,555 by 2,990 by 3,085 millimeters. The field of electric drives and renewable technologies has made significant progress. THR Zoomlion ZE215E using drive type, electric drive. Max, dumping height 6,895 mm. This specification is likely related to a specific piece of heavy equipment, such as a dump truck or a loader. The maximum digging reach of 9,870 mm, or 9.87 meters, represents the furthest horizontal distance from the excavator center line that the bucket or attachment can reach. This specification is very important in construction and excavation work because it determines how far the heavy equipment can reach to dig, level, or load material without having to change the position of the entire machine. The rated power 124/2050 kW/RPM specification indicates the rated power output of the engine used in the engine. In this case, it shows that the engine has a rated power output of 124 kilowatts, kW, at 2050 revolutions per minute, RPM. The certification CE, Conformit European, and ISO 9001:2000 indicate that a particular product, such as heavy machinery or equipment, has met specific quality and safety standards. Thank you for watching our video. To support us, please subscribe, share, like and comment.